up? We are at the OG fire pond today. Got some time before work, so we're gonna do like a little 1 hour speed challenge. See if we can catch some fish in that time. Got a new bait today. It's kind of like a free swinging chatterbait. Like the head isn't attached to it. Looks pretty sick, so we're gonna try it out. And there it is. Let's go. All right. Let's go ahead and get us a little trailer on this guy. Like I said, this thing looks sick. Nice natural color. Kind of excited to see how it is on water. As you can see, I kind of went a little crazy on the Rage Tails. I found them on sale, so I got as many as I could. I actually bought the rest of them. This looks like a sick color. These are just the little Rage Tail chunks used for my trailers. I like them because they come in this hard shell. Keeps them all straight. They don't get all warped up and stuff. Oh. Ooh. Alright. It's got some nice trailer keepers on here too. Oh yeah, that looks like money right there. Oh. Oh yeah. That looks real nice. Alright, so I bent the blade a little bit. So this should dive a little bit more. It's just annoying. Start reeling and it's just at the top of the water the whole time. Yeah, it's a lot better. So we tied on that primal vibe that we had on in the last video. Seemed to work out for us then. See if it will now. That's fine. I'm not trying to fish. People got their damn dog in the pond. I'm not trying to fish. It's fine. Ignorant ass people. That's pretty annoying. Ha 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 ha. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. Well, and he's gone. That's just awesome. See if he eats again. Damn it. I went to turn him and just came right off. I didn't have him hooked very well. I don't think he was too big. 2-pounder. Hit it like a giant though. Okay, so made a switch, but I don't think we're gonna be fishing this. What the hell? It's a puddle. Huh. What is going on? Oh, this is crazy. Oh, I guess we could still fish it. Oh, we're gonna still try and give her a send. This is nuts. I knew this little pond was getting low. I didn't know it was this big of an issue. Hopefully there's still fish in here. Can't imagine they got them all out. Let's take a little gander at this puddle over here. Make sure there's no fish in here. This might become a rescue mission. I don't see anything. Oh, okay. Oh, yep, I'm sinking. All I see are a couple turtles. That's good. Oh my God. All right. Okay. We're getting out of this. Now, this ain't even gonna be fair. I'm gonna end up losing this. Oh, what is that? Ew, what is that? What is that? Tell me it's a... What is that? That's not a fish. It's a bag. It's a planting pot. Are you serious? I thought I had a giant. This is ridiculous. Oh my God. From the way it was going in the water, I thought I got a catfish or something. Alright. Well, that was a little exciting. Oh, what was that? There's something giant still in here. Look at all that mud that just got kicked up. This is sketchy AF. Oh my God. No, I got him. Oh shit. No, he came off. What? No, I had him. That was big. This is way after. I had to get to work. I was almost late. But yeah, that was nuts. I'm pretty sure that was a giant catfish. It actually broke one of the hooks on my swim bait. And that's how I got loose. Never caught a catfish. That would have been a pretty cool first one. But yeah. So, like the video, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And we'll catch you next time.